To use Obsidian for content creation, you'll create a connected workspace with folders and notes to streamline your entire process. Let's start by setting up your content creation folder structure. Open Obsidian, navigate to your preferred vault, and in the File Explorer sidebar, create 3 new folders: Ideas, Drafts, and Resources. The Ideas folder is where you'll capture initial content concepts. The Drafts folder holds your evolving content, and the Resources folder is your hub for research and supporting materials. Think of it as a central command center for your writing. Now, let's dive into the Ideas folder. Inside this folder, create a new note called Content Dashboard. This will be your primary overview, a home base for your content pipeline. Within the Content Dashboard, create sections for content ideas, current drafts, publishing schedule, resources, quick links, and notes. Use this dashboard to visually track where your content is in its life cycle, from initial brainstorming to final publication. Next, capture those content ideas as they come to you. Within the Ideas folder, create separate notes for each potential piece of content, a blog post title, a YouTube video concept, or even social media snippets. Each note should contain the core idea, a content title, a topic idea, audience notes detailing who you're writing for, key points you want to cover, and questions you need to answer. Jotting down these ideas immediately ensures you always have a reservoir of topics ready to be developed. Now, let's focus on your drafts. Create the Drafts folder, and within it, create a note called Content Draft. This note is your primary writing space. Structure it with sections for title, objective, outline, draft, revision notes, and related resources. The outline is key. Start with a clear framework to help you stay on track during the writing process. Next, establish your research library. Inside the Resources folder, create a note titled Research Library. This is where you'll gather all your research materials, articles, references, templates, and useful links. Organize this folder meticulously. It's far more efficient to have everything in one place than to hunt through multiple sources. Now, connect these notes using Obsidian's internal linking feature. Link your content dashboard with your content draft, linking your content dashboard with your research library, and link related ideas from your Ideas folder to corresponding drafts. This creates a dynamic, interconnected system where all your content is easily accessible. Next, add properties to your content notes to manage publishing details. Useful properties include status, draft, review, published, category, blog, video, social media, platform, website, YouTube, Instagram, publish date, priority, and last updated. These properties make it easier to categorize, sort, and track the progress of your content. Then add tags to categorize your content further. Examples include blog, video, tutorial, newsletter, draft, and published. Tags allow you to quickly locate related content throughout your vault and make searching more efficient. To solidify your workflow, create a simple content creation process. Capture new ideas in the Ideas folder. Move them into the Drafts folder when you start writing. Store supporting research in the Research library and link it to your draft. And regularly update your content dashboard to monitor your progress. Obsidian's power truly shines with its ability to connect your content. By tracking ideas, drafts, and research in one seamless workspace, you eliminate the constant switching between applications, allowing you to focus on creating more content, faster. As your content library grows, internal links, properties, and tags make it easy to navigate related topics and reuse existing research. Maintaining a well-organized system like this is an investment that pays dividends in productivity and consistency. Remember to regularly review and refine your workflow. It's not a set it and forget it system. It evolves as your needs change.